Have you tried oatmeal ala arroz caldo? It's easy to make and a healthier twist on our classic Filipino rice soup, yet just as delicious and filling. Saute onions, garlic, and ginger in a small amount of oil until softened and aromatic. Add fish sauce for an umami boost, then pour in the water. Add the flaked cooked chicken and Maggi chicken cube for a meatier taste. Stir and bring to a simmer. I use steel cut oatmeal which takes longer to cook, but you can also use rolled or quick oats. Season with salt and pepper according to taste. Continue cooking until the oatmeal is tender and the consistency is like congee. To serve, ladle the soup into a bowl and garnish with green onions and crispy garlic bits and drizzle with lemon or calamansi juice. This oats caldo is perfect for breakfast, snack time, or anytime you need stick to your ribs comfort food. Enjoy!